Hello everyone again. Today we are going to, well, we're going to attempt to wire up the lift in the unit. So Adam, we're in the van, in the workhorse. We're off to, where are we going? Screwfix. Screwfix, and we need to pick up some supplies. So what is it we need? What cable?
4mm armoured cable, 3-core. Some boxes, some cable clips. Don't think we need much else. I think we've got everything.
Yeah, we think there's already you think there's already a breaker in our
some spare breakers in the board we can go off.
Adam's got PTSD from getting a shock doing housing electrics, so now we're working with 3-phase. The risks are a lot higher. The stakes are higher, should we say.
Yeah.
So Adam might die in this video. Make sure you click the like button to watch Adam not die. What have you found, son?
This stuff.
How much?
Well, it's coming out of your bank.
I don't. How much that? Is that per?
No, that's for 25 metres. We only need 15.
So what? It's going to cost me like 50 quid?
No, I mean that's the coil. It's going to cost you 78 quid because that's the size of the reel they sell.
Please, can you like and subscribe to make me money?
The ramp's done. We can do a lot better content.
That will be fun.
So you can see me and Jack get burnt, and like my only nice hoodie left will have welding holes.
If you use SATTIRE 10, you can get 10% off hoodies.
Bargain. If any of you have ever wired a ramp up that wants 3-phase but you don't have 3-phase, you have to use a converter. Inverter. Some of them you have to mess with a lot of settings to make it work, and that is what Nathan is very good at. He likes reading manuals.
No, basically, I'm known for figuring things out. No, I'm known for fucking stalking the forums. I believe that the forums hold the key for everything in every interest that you could possibly have. It fixed Jack's S14. Jack, you know what I'm on about. It fixed Chris's S14.
Do you know, here's one for you. Rumour has it, right, that Adam and Eve read the forums to figure out what sex was to make us all.
Do I need to get my dick out now, or...?
No, that's on our OnlyFans. That's.
We should actually do an OnlyFans.
That would be awful. What is it like the? What do you reckon, Vicar? SATTIRE OnlyFans. It's like a calendar. OnlyFans.
We can pull off an OnlyFans.
Yeah, I reckon. So it's just like naked in front of the cars.
Demonstration. Do you want to see a naked car? Ready?
What, a naked car?
Yeah, look. I'm gonna.
Oh, don't pop its blouse.
I'm gonna drop its pants.
Oh no.
Oh, look at that. Dirty.
Sneak peek.
Look at that. That's pure like
shit. Like that is literally the bumhole.
It's fucking dripping already.
What do you mean?
I've touched it.
What's
the white things?
Feta cheese, mate.
Feta.
Cheddar fees. You not had feta cheese before?
No, no, I'm alright.
It's actually really nice.
It is really.
What's it called? What's that cheese?
Parmesan?
No.
Blue cheese?
No. Skegma.
Smegma. Skegma. I've never heard of the term skegma. Wicked skegman.
You don't need to get the engine crane out?
Yeah, when the car's in.
Well, we're pushing the car forward anyway.
Oh,
Get the legs out, son. Right, hold it there. Slack is getting it. Boing.
Yeah,
Oh my god, the brakes. He's still got no brake. I have to take down my collection.
Childish.
What do you mean childish?
How much you spent on all that?
There's a lot of money there. I don't know how much I've spent.
We worked out Jack's was like $2.5 wherever he's put them all.
Really fun.
Oh my god, that's...
Oh, for fuck's sake, Adam.
We've lost one.
That's in the abyss now.
Right. Oh. There's loads of them.
Oh no!
Just carry up a bit. No. Right, I can't carry this. Whoa.
I have to rest it.
Go.
Go!
Oh! Oh! He's tipping! My wall's empty. It just looks naked. Like, look how busy the rest of the unit is. Ignore that. And then there's just that. He's just not there. And we've got shit all over the floor now, look. Oh no. I've spent a lot of money and time collecting these.
Split my jeans wide open. Oh no.
This will be great for our Satire OnlyFans, mate.
Oh. Look, fuck me, that means I've got one set of jeans left.
Fuck me! Oh, this is heavier than I remember.
Oh, big catastrophic failure.
Big lad. Do we not need the unicycle out the way?
No, I'm going to wire it on the unicycle.
Oh, okay, so when I ride it, I get electric.
Well, no, actually, I'm going to ride it, hold the ladders, you're going to go on the ladders.
Oh, it'll be like a fucking circus act. This
Yeah.
would be great content, great content. Well, we've just found this in the, whatever this is called, girder. Yeah, this is the hatch cover for the Supra, like the boot cover. I've just sort of had it thrown up there, and it's like covered in shite. So yeah, if anyone wants to buy it, you know, hit me up. So this is the inverter of choice.
Might be had it was a freebie.
Oh yeah, it was a freebie with the ramp. The ramp was a freebie as well. Shout out, Chris. It was good, that. Although I thought you're supposed to have it real high so that you can't like fiddle with the, you know, and shock yourself. Like, I mean, in theory, I could finger that and I'll die.
Well, I just wouldn't advise it then.
Oh, cheers, mate. Got a really nice grab. That's not going anywhere, that. It's gone through!
About like
15 mil. That's good, that.
So,
Right there.
over there. I said the wall would be about
Let it tread on these. Yeah, James, you can use it. Wait, are these your roll tyres?
Yeah.
Okay, they're not ours. It's a nice Glanzer. And interesting MR2. And then that thing.
D-Walt for the win.
No, Milwaukee.
Oh,
You do prefer Milwaukee. Fucking D-Walt my ass.
Chris, who needs 3 electric ratchets? Me, apparently.
You don't even work on cars anymore. So, Adam, give us a rundown of your new philosophy. What are you doing now?
Drill, buzz, bang.
Just put it on a t-shirt. Which box?
Top drawer. The big fucking posse. Yellow, I think. Snap on for the win.
Snap on.
No, that's...
Oh shit.
That's Halford's.
It's a Halford snap on. Hey guys, today we're doing an unboxing video. Whoa, it's like gold. Arr.
We're fucking rich boys.
Yeah, silicone in Leeds, yeah. Turn out.
Leeds! You went to Leeds for that?
Yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
It's not even that far, you divvy. Can you pass me one of my small flatheads?
Sure. What, like a stubby or a thin one?
Thin.
That really hurt.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I feel like we might get done by, what's it called? Who's the health and safety? Is it OSHA? Occupational self and... No, that's chemicals, Kosh. I'm sure it is. Yeah, it's hazardous substances hazardous to health. Hang on, calm down, son.
It's the control of substances.
That's the one. Right, I can't see it back here. Hang on. Pull it back a tiny bit. And we're off.
Steady on, kid, I've got a unraveller. This shit's so awful to work with.
Adam had an accident. It ended up becoming a rat's nest. So we've ran the cable all the way down to where our breaker is, / mains board. So the cable comes to here. There's the end. That's going to go into our breaker at the top. Well, that's got a lot of sand in it, hasn't it?
It's just, when you lap your valves, you lap your wheel bearings.
Oh.
So it's sandy grease. That's good.
I put fresh grease in it, but it's only for the dyno anyway.
Only for the dyno, he says. Is it a 4-wheel dyno? For that 4-wheel drive?
Thankfully not.
You've just ruined his bearings.
Ruin your life.
Oh, it's the
Sound.
Have the camera just to show the people.
What are we showing?
So cylinder 3, we've done a delete, and it's now the oil supply for the turbo.
Oh, that's
No,
cool.
no, it's like rotary, so it needs oil. So what we're doing is we're going to put an oil feed, so that's just one. But I got to get another like 3 hooked up, and then yeah, so it's going to provide fresh oil
That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it?
to each cylinder. Yeah, well, it keeps it cool as well, doesn't it?
Yeah. No.
It's like the new meth.
Yeah.
Oh, oil meth injection?
Yeah. Either that, or we could just go straight to there. I think that would be a better idea actually.
Oh, nice, yeah. It's like a PCV, that.
Yeah, but even better.
It's a PTV, positive turbo valve. What the fuck?
Wait, I'm stuck. Can you get that right? I need to up. I don't want to drop it. Oh, fucking hell. Steady. Oh, that's disgusting. Steady. Can we actually push it over? Wait, it's stuck.
Yeah, I reckon it won't even hurt if we push you over.
Do you think it would hurt if we push you over?
I don't think it would.
Because I'd bang me head. That's how I'd... I've got no balance at all. I'm literally stuck.
Oh my god.
You weigh nothing. You're proper weightless.
Why is it bending so much?
Just lay it down really slowly. We got catch me though. Oh shit!
Oh my god. What is it?
Bro, where are we going? Come on, man. This is a stupid idea. It shouldn't have
Are you alright down there, son?
Yeah, I've got burns.
Oh, Christ.
Do you know what you should do? You should take your shoes off and tickle his feet.
Oh, wait, take a look down here. This looks cool as fuck. Wait, look down here, Adam.
Yes.
It's a cool little... Oh.
See, back in the day, I had to use a ratchet, but now
We've already showed off Vico's 3.
Now that Milwaukee has released their electric ratchet, life is just simpler. Look, I could actually be quite a good salesman.
I don't think so. I don't think anyone's going to be rushing to buy Milwaukee tools after that.
Yeah.
Because James used it on his baggy MX-5. This is right light in this, isn't it? I feel like a fucking pro vlogger. Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing a video on this Suzuki Grand Vitara. I think we need to go get our takeaway. I'm not going to lie.
Please just take the camera with you and just walk in.
Hey guys, today we're getting my fucking takeaway. I don't know what's going on there. There's a lot of wires. Good that. Are you so... You're like a moth.
I feel like I'm live at the Palladium or something. I'll start dancing in them.
No, we're just trying to get some power to this lovely cable here.
Oh, nice one. Everything's fucking shit. This guy's wiring our unit up. If this goes up in flames, you're responsible.
Nah, not me.
What box? What's the box for?
So I can turn it inside this SWA cable into it. Then I'll put a stuffing gland out of there and then we can run a cable between.
That's amazing, that.
It's amazing. And then we can, there's actually an output, we go from there and I'll have the fucking thing up there. Who's that?
That's Jensen. Here he is.
There he is.
Rival electrician.
Oh God.
This is it now.
We're gonna have a big scrap.
Woo! Here he is.
The main boy.
Jay Rizzle, Ul's third best electrician.
Third best electrician, doesn't it?
What have you done?
Made a mistake.
Oh yeah. That's good.
Yeah, I think there might be a...
Almost went flying much. That would have been a very expensive mistake, son. Right, get your steering rack back out. Full thing's got to come out. Car's got to go on its roof so you can get it out. That's the procedure. Race car.
Yeah, there's a paddle with them.
Oh shit. It's not MOT stick.
No, it's
it's not. It's noise when you're on track,
Uh,
See, it's quite cool.
I'm just getting powered on.
Yeah.
I can't believe how many Fiestas there are right now. One ST, a Zetec S, a Style, Race spec ST. Ridiculous.
Prior to COVID, so that's 3 years.
New lace boxes for guys who drive Fords. There's Fords. Jensen, what's your thoughts on Ford?
I don't know. I would show you my keys, but I don't know where they've gone.
But it's like if you don't like it, send it back,
Turn around.
can't you?
Is it 30 days?
30 days.
Fiestas, mate.
I can see myself. Oh, that is unreal. Really brings out the green in my eyes. The green.
The one you asked to come off, but I didn't hear you.
Second I asked to come off a screen, I think I got off on the fourth, didn't I? I've never known a car grip like this.
Well, I never thought it was fucking gripping like real badly, you know, when
Shit.
you was in it, because of the tyres. So I've got some new tyres out that are like...
Who's grip? Fucking neat.
Yeah, they didn't feel like it to me, but these are a lot softer.
What are we doing?
Good thanks, how are you?
Alright, fucking hell, you proper fucking...
Gutted it.
Yeah.
You need to black your back windows out.
Well, I could have
Polygloss.
gone tinted, but I quite like the clear thing.
Polycarbonate.
It's got a sore willy.
Why's he got so with him?
Oh my god.
Oh, he's not keen for the willy to be on. Oh,
Get him! Gonna be the channel mascot now.
yeah, man. Milo Satire edition.
Picked some lights up from Scrapyard because put by brand new mate, Povo spec. I've very sketchily taped them round the clear. Hey up, Stoggo!
Spray paint and tint him. What's this? Oh, he thinks it's a rat. To finish off this video, I know it's not been very exciting, but you know, we're just filming what we're doing. So, hot wheels are back up. That's we're gonna get some wires tomorrow, finish it off, and I'll keep you posted, mush. Thanks for watching.